Namba ya ngari iria cirahuthira thitima guku bururi-ini ikoretwo ikiongerereka na gikiro kinene kuma ngari 65 mwaka wa 2018 kinyagia ngari 2079 mweri wa gatandatũ mwaka muhituku. Umuthi Minista wa Ukui na Waki wa barabara Kipchumba Murkomen ni atongoririe kurugurio kwa mitaratara ya kuramata uhuthiri wa ngari guku bururi-ini. Mitaratara iria rongoreirie kuhingura mirango ya ONJORIA oro undu umwe na ukuria wa iganda cia ngari guku bururi-ini.
The policy which will guide development of electric mobility in all transportation modes, road, rail, air and maritime, will provide a transition framework from the current internal combustion engine. The policy will also address the supply, demand and infrastructure and consumer side of EVs.
Promoting local content, because we do know that it will have jobs for our people, and so this particular initiative will directly contribute to manufacturing.
Omwe wa maundu maria mendekithitio ni kamiti iria ikoretwo igicokaniriria na guthugunda mitaratara ino ni kweherio kwa magoti maria magathikiirwo thuguri ya ngari guku bururi-ini.
How do we incentivize manufacturers and assemblers in order for them to actually invest in this space? We think that some of them might be tax measures, for example, import duty, excise duty, VAT, talking about what we're calling green channels for importation of EV parts.
Soon be a reality. And BRT, we have said, let's take advantage of this development of BRT in the city to bring in electric buses, so that as we integrate the BRT system, we're integrating the electric buses.
THIRIKARI itanyitwo gukorwo ikiarira mitaratara ya kugacirithia ukui wa ngari ici ari hamwe na kumurika uria mendekithia ma kamiti ino mangirutithio wira. Riri namba ya ahuthiri a ngari ici itanyitwo kwambatira na gicunje kia 5 hari igana gukinyiria mwaka wa 2025.
For example, I get an electric vehicle, I want to drive from Mombasa to Nairobi. Will I get stuck along the way? Where will be my charging station? Where is it going to be found? The need to think about that now is key, and the policy suggests some initial ways of thinking about it.
Kuringana na Murkomen, Kenya ni itashukitie ikinya rimwe mbere hari gukinyaniria kioneki kia mwaka wa 2030 gia kunyihia uthukia wa riera kuhitukira gas irire kagiririo ni mitambo ya ngari.
We are also setting up charging infrastructure at Transcom House, the headquarters of the Ministry of Roads and Transport. Furthermore, we shall be proposing to the Cabinet a phased fleet replacement program for all GUK vehicles from internal combustion engines to e-vehicles.
Ahuthiri a ngari guku bururi-ini ni moritio kwihariria kwandikithia weru ngari ciao iria cikuheo namba cia mwanya niguo kuhota gucikuranaga na ihenya.
Maybe presidential car.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.